In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could make your Instagram account private easily. Friend, Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic and you are watching my video for today, I urge you stick with me till the end, because if you do so, you are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. So there are many reasons for you to make your Instagram account private. Reasons could be like you do not want anybody else to download your photographs or your videos, or maybe you do not want unknown people to check your account. Whatever the reason may be, Instagram has given us this option and we should use it. Okay, now it's very easy to make your Instagram account private. This is what you need to do exactly. First of all, you need to open up the Instagram application, right? So you open up the Instagram application on your Android device or maybe your Apple device, whatever phone you are using. Once you do that, ensure you are logged into your account. Okay, so once you are logged into your Instagram account, the next thing to do is click on your icon out here to the bottom right. Okay, so you click on that icon and you are directed to your profile page. Okay, so this is my profile page. So here you need to click on these three lines, okay, the menu lines, and then you get a pop-up like this, a pop-up menu. Basically, you click on settings. Okay, once you do that, you would be directed to this page, and you could see here you have a lot of options to choose or select from. All right, here you need to select privacy. Once you do that, you would get an option to make your account private out here. So you click on this toggle button and you get a pop-up like this. You could go through these notifications, and once you are satisfied, you could click on switch to private. Once you do that, your account becomes private. It is as easy as this. So I hope this was interesting, quick and easy to understand. If you have any questions, please feel free to post a comment, or you could even send me an email. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell notification icon. So this is it for today. Until my next video, adios, take care.